Good afternoon, guys. My name is Akbar. Welcome back to my channel. So if you look at currently, I'm going through LinkedIn, one of the requirement in eBay company. So they are looking for a SRE. Okay. So if you look at the requirement, they need a SLA, SLO, SLI, someone who is covering monitoring and actions before monitoring, service level agreement, observability, all those things. Little bit of CI/CD, cloud. Okay, all these things in a combination. For example, if I have to prepare for this particular SRE role within a fraction of 40 to 45 minutes, because I see this is a recent position, 19 people have applied and 2 days ago. This is how you have to crack the discussion. Now you have to go to ChatGPT, okay, and give them the entire stuff, whatever you see here, okay, till here, AI, ML, data analytics. Okay, all the questions. So the question what you need to ask ChatGPT is, please share the expected interview questions for the below JD so that I can prepare for interview. Now coming to Claude. Now look at a Claude AI and you have to go to Copilot. Please share the expected interview questions. Okay, for the below JD. I want to hit in ChatGPT. I want to hit in Copilot. I want to hit in Cloud AI all together at the same time so that I want to see the response. So what is that questions that you're going to ask that are really important? Please share the expected interview questions. Okay, here I missed for below JD. So once you understand what is the question that you have to ask, you are able to 50% able to crack the discussion. So I'm going to paste the description and the expectations, roles and responsibilities in all three. Remember, you have to make sure what is the latest job description. If it is recently posted within a week, you can apply. After applying, you have to come to Claude, ChatGPT, or Copilot. Come here, paste the questions. Please share the expected interview questions for the below JD so that I can prepare for interview. Now, I'm going to hit it. Let's hit for ChatGPT. Let the ChatGPT work for me. Then I'll go to Claude. I'm hitting the to Claude. And then I'm going through Copilot. Please share the expected interview questions for the below JD so that I can prepare for interview. I had a discussion, roles and responsibilities, all the other stuff. Okay. Let me hit it. So ChatGPT is working on it. I'm taking a current real-time requirements and exploring it so that the way whatever I'm doing, you have to do it for your requirement. Whatever the jobs that you are applying for, whatever the technology that you are applying for, it's as simple as that. And whatever the content is coming here, that is more than enough for you for the preparation of interview point of. So before coming and asking anything to ChatGPT, you just need to have a basic conceptual knowledge of that particular technology. So without basic conceptual knowledge, you won't understand whether ChatGPT is guiding you or misguiding. So let's understand this JD is a combination of SRE role, Site Reliability Engineer, which covers DevOps, Java application support, cloud, observability. This is really important. Observability is something which comes before monitoring, before you set the alerts. Performance engineering, since you have already Since you already have a significant experience in DevOps infrastructure, expect the interviewer to focus heavily on reliability engineering, Java, Kubernetes, OpenShift, observability, Dynatrace and Splunk, incident management, Linux performance. Okay, now the section 1 SRE fundamentals. So before something, because this role, whatever we have looked here, okay, basically it is a site reliable engineer, SRE, senior, SRE, senior level. So we have to go for it. So what is a site reliable engineer does? What is the difference between SRE DevOps? You should know basic things. You should know what is SLA, what is SLO, what is SLI. How do you define SLO? Okay, now incident management. So incident management talk about P1 ticket, P2 ticket, P3, P4. What is the P1 SLA? What is P2 SLA? What is P3 SLA? P4 SLA? All these things. How do you manage SEV1 outage? If there is a high priority ticket and if there is an outage, then you have to immediately inform the command center team so that all the tickets will be considered as a duplicate ticket based on the master ticket. And with respect to outage point of view, you have to roll back immediately whatever the previous version of application is working and do the investigation on a current version, why it is failing, what it is failing, take the logs, give it to vendor and coordinate with the multiple teams like a DevOps, cloud, infra, application, DBA, everyone. Is a DB connectivity got changed? Is it a firewall issue? Is it a networking issue? Is it a capacity issue? Is it a performance issue? Whatever it is. You have to make a search in all the areas. What is your approach for a critical situation management? As I told you, if there is something goes wrong, backout is an immediate temporary solution so that to avoid an impact, to avoid a business impact, to avoid impact in dollars. How do you perform a root cause? This is really important. Root cause, RCA analysis. Root cause analysis is basically depend on what is the issue occurred, when it occurred. Did you capture the logs? What the logs are saying? Is this occurred previously? Is it happened before any particular change? What is the situation before change and after change? Is it something Unix team did? Is it something middleware team has done it? Is it a DevOps team which has done a recent any deployment, latest application version? In all the perspective, you have to think any changes, any upgradation, any packages, all what should be included in postmortem. So like your investigation, how do you reduce mean time? How do you reduce mean time to recovery? MTTR. Difference between MTTR, MTTD, MTBF. How do you conduct room calls? So when you have a conference call, when you have a war room calls, you need to have all the related application, infra team, DB team, everyone related to that particular application. How do you communicate with the business stakeholders during outages? This is something process oriented, okay? What you need to understand. Java or JVM. Explain the architecture, okay? So what causes out of memory? You have your CPU, you have your RAM capacity and heavy load and it's out of, you're not able to serve the client request. Huge traffic. In that case, you will get out of memory. Explain why Java memory leaks happens. So it's like very often situation this will be occurred. So application restart, a server restart will fix this issue for time being. If you really want to fix it and go through it, then you have to increase the capacity and plan for it. Okay. What is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? So some basic Linux difference between top, htop commands. So you need to understand what is the top command is going to do, VM stat is going to do, IO stat, netstat, LSOF, free. How do you identify CPU bottlenecks? So all these things you have to keep in mind and prepare for this particular discussion. This particular JD, the ChatGPT is asking to prepare all these things. So this is kind of a one particular step towards your preparation of an interview. I'm not saying this is 100% correct. just go for it. Just at a beginning level of you, when you are in your journey of cracking the interviews. Cracking interview is an art. I'm telling you, doing day-to-day job will not help you to crack the discussion. To crack the discussion, you have to be interactive. You have to be bi-directional communication, which is really important. Okay. Now let's see what is a Claudia is gonna say for this. This is solid SRE. Okay. So they have given questions in form of downloads. Okay. I'll download it and see. So core concept of SRE, SLA, SLO, SLA. Can you explain the difference between? Okay, this is very basic question in terms of SRE. Reduction. What is a toil and how have you reduced it in your past projects? Resilient design, observability, incident management. So technical skills, your Java performance, thread dumps, heap dumps, kill-3, thread dumps, heap dump, kill-3 and kill-9 to kill the process, all those things. Okay. So your CI/CD build and deploy, code verification, code quality, managing the code artifacts, and then doing a deployment, cloud reliability, monitoring and observability, APM tools. How do Dynatrace or AppDynamics help in troubleshooting, log analytics, system design and architecture, advanced topics, behavioral and scenario based. Okay. So this is how you need to explore. Just go to the LinkedIn, just within a week in advance, whatever the position is that gets. I've taken an example of an EY company and for a senior SRE role, and I've gone for ChatGPT and I've gone for Claude and I've gone for Copilot and I'm asking questions. Doing your day-to-day job will not help you to clear the discussion. You have to explore. You have to explore yourself. You have to explore your technology. You have to explore what the market is looking for. You have to explore the JD and everything. Then only you will be in a particular direction, right direction. Okay. Thank you, guys. I hope I'm trying to make some quality content so that you can understand and make some good progress in your personal career, professional career. Please click on like and subscribe my channel and I appreciate your support. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please click on like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.